Okay guys, this is Kevin Jong. Today's tutorial is about this hard drive. Actually, I purchased two of them, and they give me very good deal. They sent me the coupon, and that's why I purchased it again. That's why they delivered to me today. All right, so this is 5,000 terabyte. You can see here. That means the 500 GB. And this is very good. Actually, I already explained before. This is compatibility to interface US 3.0, and you can use that with Windows and a Mac. And you see Windows and Mac here. You can use it with Windows or Mac. The video transfer is very fast. This one, especially this hard drive is very good. So especially it's very faster to transfer the video. USB 2.0, it take 25 seconds to transfer. This is USB 3.0, which it takes 6 seconds to transfer the video, which is very fast. So it says USB 3.0 up to 4 times faster than the USB 2. You see on the top, it's very fast. Adobe Creative include all apps plan. 1 month membership include. What's inside? Alright, inside LACIE ROG Mini, USB-C cable, USB 3.0 cable, quick install guide, LACIE Toolkit software suite. This is very fast. This is 130 MBs. Okay, let me open this one. What's inside? Okay, let me open you what's inside. Okay. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. See? This is amazing, man. Very good. It's a little bit heavy too. I forgot to mention, so this is shock resistant and water resistant as well. Rain and pressure resistant too. Awesome. This is very nice. Fantastic. Alright, let me see what's here. This comes with a cable. One's here and one's right here, and this is instructions so how to connect to the computer. And some instructions here too. You see, I don't need it. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to exactly connect to the computer. We have to register to the computer. Let's get started right now. Okay guys, first you're gonna connect your hard drive to the computer, and then you're gonna go to the finder. Go to the finder, then you're gonna find the name. So this is the one. You're gonna find the LACIE. So right here, click here. Okay, one it says LACIE. Double click, and you're gonna wait a little bit. And you need to fill up your name, your last name, your email address, and you have to click here. You need to check those 3. After that, you're gonna hit on the register. Gonna give me the offer for 3 months. So return code successfully. So Adobe Creative club is free for 1 month. So after 1 month you need to pay for it if you want it. So this case I don't want it, so I have already, so I don't want this one. So just click on. So it's up to you. If you want that, you need to click over there. Number 3, you need to start it. You see Photoshop and everything's here. So this all free. It's free for 1 month. Link below description. So how to buy this one. You can buy from there, so I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe and like it, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Be safe. Thank you.